Chapter 1. What are the Yin and Du meridians? According to traditional Chinese medicine, the body is linked by 12 main meridians and 8 extraordinary meridians. The meridians link organs up body to lower body, inside body and outside body. Meridians also transport qi and blood to all over the body, obtain diagnosis and treat all the diseases. Also in charge of living or death. Among the 8 extraordinary meridians, there are 2 meridians are most important. They are the Yin, in charge of all Yin meridians, and Du, in charge of the all Yang meridians. Yin located the middle front of the body, from the Yin in the middle of the back passages, and goes up to middle line of stomach and chest, and end at the tongue tip. Du locates the middle back of the body, from tip of the tailbone, goes up, stop at the upper lips. The function of the Yin meridian are in charge of all Yin meridians. It's the seat of Yin meridians. It mainly can treat local disease, such as sore throat, tongue problem, chest pain, heart problem, lung problem, stomach problem, large intestine, small intestine problem, or uterus bladder problems. Also can treat mental disease. The function of Du meridians are in charge of all body's Yang meridians. It's the seat of Yang meridians. Mainly treat mental problem, fever disease, neck problem, back problem, lower back problem, sacrum ilium problem, and also treat all the internal organ problems. Chapter 2. What are Yin and Du meridians related to the body parts? Yin and Du meridians very related to our brain and the spinal cord, spinal nerves, autonomic nervous system, and very importantly, the spine, all internal organs. So, the Du and Yin meridians can supply qi and blood to our brain and the spinal cord, all the nerves, all the autonomic nerves, and all the internal organs. If Yin and Du meridian blocked, can cause a problem to your spine, brain, and our internal organ, cause problems. So if we can open all these meridians, can treat our brain, internal organ, and the nervous system problems. Chapter 3. How can Yin and Du meridians be blocked? Yin and Du meridians very linked with our spine. Our spine contains 24 vertebrae, a sacrum and a coccyx. So between these 24 vertebrae, there are 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoraxes, and 5 lumbars. So they all have joints, and some of them they have discs. So allow our body be able to move and be able to carry the body's weight, as well as contain the spinal cord, protect the spinal cord and the nerves from any injury. Du meridian is a straight line. is located on the process of the spine. It should be straight. That means our spine from the back view should be very straight. From side view, the spine is like a small S-shaped, beautiful curved spine. The spine joins the head and the other body part is by ligaments, tendons, muscles, so on. So they are very strong but flexible. Because the spine carries all the weight, including the head and the internal organs, shoulders, and we sometimes carry extra weight. So spine always have too much pressure. So the pressure could press some vertebrae together or damage the discs and or cause the scoliosis, make the spine not straight anyway. For example, this person's neck lost the natural curve, so it's become straight and rigid. So this will affect our dual meridian to supply the nutrition, qi and blood to the brain and other nerves. When people have a disc problem or called the prolapsed disc, it will affect our spinal cord and press on the dual meridians, makes the energy cannot flow very well. Or when scoliosis happened, the spine will lost its straight line and the energy flow from the spine will be affected, and then the dual meridian cannot function very well. Chapter 4. How to open the Yin and dual meridians. Western medicine and traditional Chinese medicine has been used to treat all kinds of problems for thousands of years. After 35 years studying and practicing both traditions, Dr. Zhou has realized there must be something special about the cause, illness, and the treatment of illness. After 30 years research, he has found out the key and uses to treat and explain and diagnose problems. He has a very successful result from treating his patient. Some of the illness which the doctor thought was uncurable, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, etc. Dr. Zhou's experience is use his special jaw 推拿彩条 to open the Yin and dual meridians, which is use the technique and some massage to relax the muscle, regain the space of the vertebrae, realign the spine, and then all the problem will be successfully treated. If you are interested to have some treatment or learn Dr. Zhou's 推拿彩条 massage, please visit www.thehealthkey.co.uk or write an email to Dr. Zhou. Thanks.